Hello student. Today we are going to discuss the topic romanticism. Romanticism means a romantic imagination and the feeling of national unification. Romanticism. What is the meaning of romanticism? Romanticism was a cultural movement for the development of certain type of nationalist feeling. Hello student. So the romantic artist did not appreciate the glorification of science and reason but glorified emotion, intuition and mystical feeling. Under this section, their effort was to create a sense of shared collective heritage of common culture past. Why? Because earlier the people were not very literate. So through these things, they have to create a sense of collective belongingness and also to create a national feeling. The other romantic, as the German philosopher, name of this German philosopher is John Gottfried Herder. He claimed that the true German culture was to be discovered among the common people. It was through the folk songs, folk poetry and the folk dance that the true spirit of the nation was popularized, and collectively he set that term as a Das Volk. The second, that means through the folk songs, folk music and the folk dance, we have to create a sense of belongingness. The second one is the emphasis of the vernacular language and the collection of local folklores was not just to recover the ancient national spirit, but also to carry the modern nationalist message to large audience who were mostly illiterate. That is a thought of John Gottfried Herder, one German philosopher. The second name, it was a Karol Karpunski was another example. He was celebrated the national struggle through his operas and music and turning folk dance like the Polonaise and the Mazurka into the nationalist symbol. And third, the language. Language play a very significant role in the national movements. The language played an important role in developing the nationalist sentiment. This story is belonged to Russia. After the Russian occupation in the Poland, the Polish language was forced out of schools, and by forcefully the Russian army said that in the schools and under the entire society, only the Russian language is going to use on the place of Polish language, where the lots of clergy person and the person, those who are belongs to the church, they are raise the voice, but by forcefully the Russian asked that on the place of Polish, you people only use the Russian language. After a long struggle, the Polish language returned back to their own country. The next topic, it belongs to Silesia. In 1845, the Silesian weavers revolted against the contractor who supplied them raw material and gave them order for finished textiles but drastically reduced their payment. And that is a big problem in front of the weavers. The dissatisfied and resented weavers, they are not satisfied because these contractors supply the raw material with high prices and take the finished good with low prices. So weavers emerge from their homes on 4th June and march in pair up to mansion of their contractor and demanding their higher wages. Apart from that, the contractors are not ready to give the higher wages. When the contractor showed the reluctance, A group of them forced their way into the house and smashed the elegant window panes, furniture, and proclaimed etc. Because these Cilician weavers are become a big revolter, because these people, these contractors gave very low wages. Another group broke into the storehouses, plundered it of the supplies of cloth, and which they tore to shreds. In result of that, the contractor fled with his family to a neighboring villages which ultimately refused to shelter such as person. He returned 24 hours later, having to re-question the army. These contractors were returned back with the army. In exchange of that, that followed, the 11 weavers were sued by the army people. That a story of Cilicia. The next topic is Frankfurt Parliament. In the German region, a large number of political associations whose members are middle class, professional, businessmen and prosperous artisans came together in the city of Frankfurt and decided to vote for an German National Assembly. The middle class group, which are the dominant group of that revolution, on 18th May 1848, the 831 elected representatives marched in a festive procession to take their place in the Frankfurt Parliament, convened in the Church of St. Paul. They drafted a constitution for the German nation to be headed by a monarchy subject to a parliament. That means a constitutional monarchy. When the deputies offered the crown on these terms to Frederick William IV, the King of Prussia, he rejected it and joined other monarchs to oppose the elected assembly because he did not accept the constitutional monarchy. Students, while the opposition of aristocracy and military becomes stronger, the social base of parliament eroded because the middle class peoples become more powerful than these groups. The parliament this parliament was dominated by middle classes who resisted the demand of workers and artisans and subsequently lost their support. In the end of truth were called in and the assembly was forced to disband. Women were denied suffrage. The basic reason behind it, why this assembly was forced to be disbanded, the basic reason was women were denied suffrage right during the election of the assembly. When the Frankfurt Parliament convened in the Church of St. Paul, women were admitted only as an observer because they are not a part of parliament. They did not get the political equality. And the women's only, they are only to stand is in the visitor gallery. Thank you. Thank you. Coming with the next topics is unification of Italy, Germany and Britain in the next video. Thank you.